Hello everybody, it's Selena. Today I'm going to be testing the cat translator. I'm sorry, Queen can't go out yet. Wow, now he's going to go behind the curtain. Oh, no. 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 Go. Go, go. No. No. Go, no. Go, go. No. Go, go. No. 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 Lock this door so he won't squash him. I'm so terrified. What have I done to you? He's camera shy. Okay, he's camera shy. He's camera shy. Y'all get it. Y'all know it. Y'all feel it. Oh, yeah. Get this light behind this thing. Okay, there we go. This should hold the camera. Yeah, this should hold it. Yes. This should hold it. Okay. Don't be camera shy. No, you're not going to take a photo shoot again. So this is my phone. I got a woofie. Get a little woofie. And I got the changing with little woofies. Okay, I was in Roblox. No. Stay back. I'm sorry. You have to stay here. Okay, go behind the curtains. Just stay there. No. No. You need to stay here. No, he's trying to hold me down. No. I need to be more trustful to me. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be Donalding. I'm literally trapping him behind my foot. No, Google. No. Okay, I'm going to search Play Store or App Store. I don't have App Store on this phone. So, no! Coin! How dare you escape me? Oh, I don't know why, but here are these weird apps. Smoleys? What's this? They look ugly. I'm sorry to the person who created this. Okay, I'm gonna do cat translator app. Free. Meow talk. Ooh, I can download it for free. Oh my gosh. I can download it for free. Look at this, guys. Oh. Drink your phone. Ugh. Open. Oh my gosh. Allow. No thanks. Later. Coin, how are you doing? Oh my god! It actually worked! Holy! What? It worked. Oh my gosh. Okay, good. Good.
You speak cat?
Coin, how are you doing? Speak, Coin. Speak. Please speak. Oh my god. I know how to speak to him personally. Coin! Poor Coin doesn't know what's happening. Hey. Oh wait. Oh no. Coin, please answer me. Please say hi. Oh my. Coin, do not move. Surrender now! I tell him to surrender now. Oh my, I feel so bad. Cuckoo. Here's the last question for you. Coin, what is your favorite food? Wait, what was that in the middle? What was that in the middle? Quinn, did you hear too? I heard it because I do not know. Blah, 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 blah. I'm about to die right now. I'm not gonna die, but I'm literally just choking on my own words. Come on. What's that? It's glue, Coin! What are you doing? Surrender now. Surrender. Surrender now. Ow, ow, ow. Yes. Ow. Scratch me again. This is how I get my scratches. Children, do not surrender your cat, or he'll hate you. If I, boy, we are always hooked up. Okay. Truce, Google, truce, truce. Okay, good boy. Oh, don't want to truce it. Oh, good boy. I love you so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for making you surrender. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I love you, Pooh. I love you. I love you. Okay, please do not scratch me again. Now he knows where to hide. Peekaboo. No? Trust me? No? Okay, I'm going to try this app again. I think I need to shout a little bit so you guys can hear me. The camera's all the way over there. Okay, so now I'm good. I'm sorry, come your ears. I'm going front. Okay, so now I'm going to download another app. I have to do this, yes. Just for you guys to see. Play Store. I'm so tired. Okay. Do I have one app called Play Store? Oh, yes, I do. He bit my arm. Oh, man. Look what he did to me. Got a new scratch. Another day of a boring another scratch. Is this seriously bleeding? Wait. Ugh. Does it have to bleed right now? Okay, I opened the Meow Talk. Fine. Fix it. Next. Continue with that account. Female. 15 years old. Okay. Done. Create. sorry, I have to annoy you. Quick. Meow, please. Quick. Meow, meow, meow. I'm here, love me. Oh my gosh! He said, let me rest. Oh my, Daddy, he said, let me rest.
What?
Oh my gosh! Let me rest. I was like, "Coin 7! Help me!" And he gave me another scratch. And it's bleeding.
Look, point.
No, it's okay. He's a good boy. Okay, Kuka, I'll let you rest. I'll let you rest. Mwah.
Give the
Love
melody.
you. I love you. No, it's okay. I'm perfectly fine. Okay, got another scratch on my wrist.
It's not fine. It's an infection. Something.
It's fine, Daddy. Okay, on the video here. Bye.